Hey there, super spellers! Today, we're on a mission to discover some very special letters called vowels. Meet the vowels. We have A, E, I, O, and U. These are the letters that help us say our words clearly. Let's say them together. A, E, I, O, U. Did you know? Without vowels, our words would sound pretty funny. Like if we tried to say cat without the A, it would just be CT. You see, vowels help make words sound right. Let's spot some vowels in words. Can you find the vowels in apple? Yes. A and E are vowels. Great job. Here is a quick, catchy song on vowels.
A is for apple, E is for elephant, I is for igloo, O for octopus, U for umbrella, yeah. These are the vowels that we use every day, helping us speak in a wonderful way.
Now super spellers, what vowel do you hear in ice cream? You got it! I is the vowel in ice cream. Great listening! Thanks for learning about vowels with me. Now you know that A, E, I, O, and U are the special letters that help us say all kinds of words. Keep spotting those vowels, super spellers. See you next time.